Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing my tag lights. So back when I replaced these bumper inserts, I had to pull out my tag lights and I dropped one of them. Now this one works when it wants to, but I got some nice plug-and-play LED lights here. They use less electricity and will just make the truck look more upgraded. As for the bumper inserts, link will be in the description, but here's a little throwback. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be swapping out my rear bumper end caps. So I was backing up, I hit a stinking bush, and this happened. And then, just go ahead and pull it off. And there we go. So we'll go ahead and start installing, and these just kind of pop into place. Then just same thing on the other side, just push it in. Also, a little tip: if you do this and have to walk away from it, tuck your tag light wires away. This way someone doesn't come and cut them. And then just put your bumper cover back on. It snaps into place. I did get it recorded, but let's just say I look like a plumber and leave it at that. Then your wiring harness, or your wiring harness blank. Then your tag lights. And here we go, the finished product. Make trucks durable again, amongst other things. If I were really that much of a nut about fuel economy, I wouldn't have bought a truck. So the first thing we will do is pop out our OEM tag lights. You can just do this with a flathead screwdriver. Just be gentle, careful, and patient. And then there we go. And then you remove your light bulb. These just twist out. Remove the light bulb. Then you take your LED tag light right here, plug it into the socket for the light bulb. Then you just plug it all back in. And then just turn your lights on, make sure they work. And then snap it in place. And this is what I said before about that light only working when it wants to. Now it's off. Then just repeat the same thing for the passenger side. And that one didn't really snap, but done. And there we go. Big difference from what it looked like before. I know initially this problem was my fault, but you can use your problems to cry, or you can use your problems to upgrade. Here's a before and after picture. Even Roxy thinks those tag lights look a lot better, don't you? It's just a small upgrade, but sometimes it is the little things in life that make the biggest difference. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.